and welcome. We are presenting home automation system. That is, I am Shubham Dilip Vaidya and we are presenting with Shubham Shankar Dage and Sham Shivaji Sharma of Jagdamba College of Engineering and Technology, Yavatmal. So let's we see what are the contents of our project. That is, first we see the introduction, project module, that is hardware and software module, block diagram, working, application, advantage, disadvantage, conclusion and references. So move going towards the introduction. So as we know that home automation system is a, as the name indicate, automation means is automatically done. As a home means home appliances, for example a refrigerator, TV, laptop can be handled automatically without manually. So as we know that everyone are using a smartphone, the demand of smartphone is increasing and everyone are having a smartphone. So we are using this with the help of Bluetooth, and Bluetooth is already having in every phone, so every phone mobile sale, so we don't have to install it. So it is very easiest to perform this project. Now, what is the home automation system? So let me see what is actually the home automation system. Home automation involves the introducing a degree of computerized or automatic control to a certain electrical electronic system. So let's we see the circuit diagram of a home automation system. As we see the Bluetooth, Arduino relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4 power supply Bluetooth module in the circuit diagram. So firstly, we are using Arduino which having the transmitter and receiver, also having a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. The transmitter of Bluetooth is connected to the receiver of the Arduino and the receiver of the Arduino is connected to the transmitter of the Bluetooth. So then that Bluetooth is connected to the relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, because we are using a 4 relay circuit, and that's why we are using here 4 relay, and that 4 relay is connected to the supplies, that is appliances. For example, we are using a light, etc. So power supply is given to the Arduino and relay 1. So after that, the Bluetooth, when you are giving a signal to the Bluetooth as 1, the program is inserted in the Arduino which grabs that 1 as a switch case statement which are using in the program, and that is given to the, suppose 1 is assigned to the relay 1, the relay 1 get active, and that relay 1 get active, and that any appliances is connected to the relay 1 which will get on or off as we are using from the mobile. So next one is the what is Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P. It has the 14 digital input output pins, out of which 6 can be used as a PWM output, that is pulse width modulation outputs, having the 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz quartz crystal, a USB connection, a power jack, and ICSP header and a reset button. Simply connect it to the computer with a USB cable or power it with a DC to DC adapter or a battery to be started. So why we prefer Bluetooth? As we know that Bluetooth is very secure, easy to use, and is available in every mobile. That's why we are using a Bluetooth. We doesn't have to use a RF remote or a RF motor, and anyone can use it very effectively. So that we conclude that home automation is undeniably a resources which can make a home environment automated. People can control electrical devices via these home automation devices and set up controlling action through mobile. In the future, this product may have a high potential for marketing. So in future work, memory can be used to store appliances stress during power failure. Appliances scheduler timer can be implemented using RTC, that is a real-time clock, can be changed to an IoT device using a Wi-Fi connectivity. Thank you so much.